Another day, another shoot. The 24 hours later, man, you know we back at it, International O. I hit on the 7s, going to pick up my pair of 7s, man. They're a must have. They're being slept on. Everybody said they didn't want them, but now they're selling out everywhere. But let me go get my pair. Bag secured. All right, guys, I'm back at the crib. Had to go make my pickups. Got my Sacai's in from the trade block app. Remember, if you saw the video before the last one, I did the sesame Sacai waffle, and I actually traded it on the trade block app. Link in the description if you want to try them out. But I did a trade, and I got this one in return. I had to get this one. I love this color, so I did the trade block app. Shout out to them. And I traded with another member of the site, and I got the Sacai waffle colorway that I really wanted. It actually came out a win for me because this one is actually valued more than the one that I had. So, you know, and they didn't ask for, you know, to put up cash with it. So I didn't complain. I pulled the trigger with no hesitation. Glad I got this shoe. Now, when I went to the mall to pick up today, I know my mall vlogs be short, but it was so crowded, man, everything went on there. Some people there, of course, trying to not wear masks and all this confusion. So I just do me going in there and then come right back out, man. But here we go. A classic, original 2006. This not the original, but you know, they came out in 2006, man. The Jordan 7 Flints. Man, I like this shoe. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I saw a lot of sites do like first come, first serve online. They didn't do raffles. Some spots did raffles. The funny thing is I struck out on Foot Locker and Champs on this. But I noticed the reason why I struck out on Foot Locker was because it got canceled. And then when I went back in to see if it was something wrong with a particular store, all the stores were gone except for one in the city. Only one Foot Locker had them on my reservation app, and that was Baybrook. And so I didn't use any head starts. They gave me my head starts back. But yeah, I got this one out of Foot Action in Memorial City Mall here in Houston. I did win at Foot Action, so I was satisfied because I wanted this shoe. A lot of my homies, they passed on it. They say they didn't like it or they didn't care for it. And one thing I will say that's different from this one, from the original, is that the gray on here is darker than the actual OG from 2006. So it is a darker gray on here. And that turned some people off because they still wanted that original OG feel of having that light Flint gray on here. And it's not. So therefore, they passed on the shoe because it didn't. For me, I get it, but I still like this gray. This is still a nice gray that you can still rock some stuff with. I'm kind of on the fence about what I want to do with these laces. I could throw a purple lace in here, but I think I might either leave them white or throw a black lace in here and kind of make them pop a little bit. I haven't decided, but either way, man, this shoe is dope. So you know we got to do it before I go to the feet. These joints are hard. Man, I'm going to be honest with you. These ones, the smell on them was so strong, I can still smell it in my room. It is strong, and it'll damn near give me a headache. I got to turn my ceiling fan on and maybe open up a window for a little bit because it's strong. It's strong in here. It smells like number sneakers, the new sneakers in this room. So I got to start wearing some of them, get that smell off. Probably just start wearing them outside for the heck of it. But that's pretty much it, man. Let's get to the feet. You know what time it is. Let's go.
Yeah, glory, hallelujah, glory, hallelujah. Yeah, bought my mama a house, then got her a coupe. Yeah, paid off all her debts. Now she
let the streets say amen.
Yeah, glory, hallelujah, glory, hallelujah. Yeah.
Blessed and highly favored, moving these haters 50 feet while they plotting and scheming, seeing this money in my reach. I don't bend, I don't break, I ain't fold, I ain't fake. I kept my head up on the swivel, stayed on my grind and kept the faith. Known to make it look easy, why these niggas look stressed. Make a bankroll this evening, but I see you dudes press. Situation ain't improving, so you suckers trying to test. Yeah, it's all fun and games till them goons on the set. Ain't no time for contemplating with a tool to your chest. Better stick to the code, learn the rules I suggest. Instead of tricking to these stats, get some stocks, then invest. Hit Kappa TV, then a watch, make a bed. When you focused on your bread, they gon' see you as a threat. Double down on them now, all they see is an exec. Yeah, I know I'm highly favored and relieved from the stress. Really ain't no other way for for me to say that I've been blessed, I've been blessed.
Glory, hallelujah.